So the next thing we're going to do is create the slab. So I'm in that section view and I've updated the floor. So what I'm going to do is take this floor and I'm going to select it and go to my Modify Floor tabs and I'm going to copy it. You could use Control C if you wanted to, but I'm just going to use this Copy to Clipboard. And then I'm going to go to the paste right next to it and I'm going to say Align to Selected Levels. And I'm going to pick level 1 top of slab and select OK. And you'll see it'll just make a copy of that guy and it's going to host it to level top of slab. So that's very convenient. That's a really nice way to copy things in Revit. And then I'm going to make a new floor that is a 6-inch concrete slab. So if I pick this and I go to Edit Type, I can duplicate this floor. So I'm going to name it A2.1 floor, and I'll just name it 6-inch slab. And click OK. And then I'm going to edit the structure and update it to a 6-inch slab. So I don't need the flow text floor anymore. I'm just going to delete that. And the structure, I don't want it to be the wood, plywood. I want it to be concrete. So I'll click on that and go to concrete up here to search. And I'm going to use the cast in place gray concrete. Okay, and I'll click OK. And then I'll change that to 6 inches. And then I'll click OK and click OK. And so now I have a 6-inch concrete slab below that guy, right? And so the next thing we're going to want to do is update the wall. So when I come back, we will do that. If we look at it again in 3D, right? Now you've got a slab below your floor. All right. So when we come back, we'll do the wall and then the ceiling.